If you are a new content creator, you would probably assume that all you need is a good camera to make good quality videos. Well, I'm here to help you save a ton of time and money because in my personal opinion, I believe a camera only makes up about 40% of a good looking video. Unfortunately, only good lighting can turn your videos from looking like this to looking like this. And I found the best one product light setup for indoor content creators like myself that you have to heavily consider. And it's what I'm using to film this video, and no one's really talking about it. It's the Anran Verge Max. This product only came out about a year ago, and I just believe that not enough people are talking about just how valuable a product like this is for you and me. Alright, so let's address the biggest elephant in the room, which is the price. This product retails for around $300, but you are getting so much value in the form of convenience, and it would make your videos look really good. And I'll be honest with you, you could get a cheaper light kit for about $150 that looks just as good as this one, but that's not what you are paying for. You are paying for the remarkable engineering that goes behind this device. It is so thin that you could just push it flat up against the wall and it's not going to take up any space at all. And having a device that's this thin, being able to produce a light this soft, and it's extremely bright as well, by the way, it's just super unheard of in this market. Like, I've never seen a product like this before. This is literally truly like one of its kind. Unless you can find another product like this, you can leave it in the comments down below so I could take a look at. But from the time I've been here, like, I've been searching for a light like this. I just haven't really found something this good. And yeah, that is what you're paying for. You're paying for the convenience, and for a device this thin, being able to produce a light this soft and being able to change the temperature to suit your filmmaking needs is just absolutely priceless, and I truly mean that. So let's talk about what you're actually getting for this $300, like the features and the accessories and things like that. So for $300, it comes with a desk mount that is extremely sturdy and extremely high quality, so you shouldn't have any problems with this holding up your light kit. And it's also adjustable, so you could tilt the angle however you want. You can make it super flat and perpendicular to the surface, or you could just tilt it slightly so you could get a nice glow onto your face. And yeah, the light stand is super tall, so you could be as tall as like LeBron James, and it's going to be high enough to support you, no problem. Yeah, if that's something you're worried about, which you probably aren't. Alright, so let's talk about the actual features that is inbuilt in this light kit. Anran made this super easy to control for anybody to pick up. It literally just comes with two knobs, one's for brightness and the other one's for temperature to control. So it could go all the way down to 2700 Kelvin, which would look something like this. So it looks something like this, or it could go all the way up to 5600 Kelvin, but I would like to keep it at 5500 Kelvin, which is the default daylight temperature, I believe. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the power of this light source. Like, it is so unbelievably bright. Like, in a completely dark room, 15% is all you really need to film, but I'm going to put it all the way up to 100% to kind of show you. Oh wow, this is like, I've never put it 100% in a long time. So this is what it looks like at 100%. So I'm going to turn it down to 0%. So this is what it looks like, completely dark. Yeah, so you can already tell this thing is absolutely crazy in terms of brightness. You don't need any. And yeah, so I like to keep it at 15 to film my videos on. Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, which is why I really like this thing, because it's just one light source and you're honestly set to go. I also have this like RGB light bar for like $20 to $30, and you know, it just helps to give your videos a little bit more of a pop and a color to it. It's not like completely necessary, but it's super cheap, so you should probably get that as well if you want. But yeah, so apart from the two knobs, there's also a button on the bottom to kind of turn your device on and off. So that's really about it. It's two knobs and one button, and endless possibilities in your filmmaking journey. And not only that, you can also connect this light to your Anran app on your phone and things like that to control it through your mobile device. I mean, like, this thing is like super convenient. I just reach my arm out to turn it on. So personally, I wouldn't use the app because it's just a little bit more inconvenient. Personally, I would stick to doing it manually because it's just so much more convenient for me to just reach out my arm to press a button compared to like unlocking my phone and turn it on that way. So yeah, that's also a nice plus that you should probably know about. And that's really about it. This is a super quick video letting you guys know that a product like this exists in the market, that you should heavily consider if you're doing a lot of indoor filmmaking, or you're making a lot of talking hit videos like this one, or if you're doing a lot of streaming or TikTok live, things like that. you really need something like this. It's just gonna make things so much more convenient and easy for you. We are living in a big 2026, so content creation is just gonna get bigger and bigger from here. Live streaming and things like that is just gonna get more popular. So I really do believe that like spending $300 like a one and done investment for your light source is just gonna be super worth it in the long run. And yeah. So if you like this video, drop a like and subscribe. If you are a content creator looking to improve or level up your content creation game, your video quality, things like that, I make a ton of videos like this. You can check out my channel. And yeah, amongst other stuff which you may or may not be interested in. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.